Tiga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning. My name is Ahmad Hazib bin Abu Sama and I'm from section 1. My mention number AD150022. So for introduction, which is of in source program or C program, the basically from as programmer need to know where a processor command variables, function statements and expression and command. The command part is up to the programmer either to use it or not. C programming also was initially used only for development work system, which is particularly the programs that make up the operating system. C programming designing can solve the problem from any subject. For example, is from fluid mechanics or fluid dynamic problems such as to find pressure difference in a pipe. So, problem statement. Pressure difference can be determined by using Bernoulli equation. For the problem that I choose for this project which is the water flows at the specific rate in the horizontal pipe whose diameter is reduced by a reducer. There are few value that be given, which is volume flow rate, constant alpha, and also head loss. From the given value and constant, we can get the value of pressure difference of the flow in the tube. For this case study, the flow is steady and incompressible. The pipe is horizontal condition and the kinetic energy correction factors are given to be A equal to 1.05. So this is my Venturimeter, which is, as we can see, this is the Bernoulli equation, and we can simultaneously reduce the equation and we can get the pressure difference, which is delta P is equal to rho alpha change of velocity flow rate over 2 minus rho J head loss. So for our objective is to understand the function of looping, to understand the Bernoulli equation in fluid mechanics, to study the correlation of the Bernoulli equation and the pressure difference, to maximize the study of program on solving mathematical problem. And then this is my flowchart. Okay, as you can see, start we state G equals to 9.81 HL rho 1000, and then we go through the input, which is A equals to 0.01, go to the condition, which is A less than equal 1.05. If the value is true, then yes, we go through to the function of function 1 and function 2. If no, we go to the increment, which is A plus minus 20, and then from this we can get the pressure difference. And then this is the function of formula 1 and formula 2. This function is quite similarity, but the difference is only on the v dot, which is v dot for function 1 is 0.025, v dot A, the area that is different, which is area for function 1 is 0.011, function formula 2 0.006. So we go through this and we can get the answer. So this is my coding. Include float, we state float function 1, function 2, G, VD, A1 and so on. And then we state that the A is 0.021, and then we through the function, and this is our flowchart. And then we go through to for V dot 0.01, V dot less than equal the what we call the state of possibility 0.025, and then we go to the float formula, and then we get the answer. So this is my answer. As conclusion, we can conclude that I have achieved all of my objective. The program is built to determine the pressure difference in the flow of pipe. From Bernoulli equation, we can simplify it and obtain pressure difference. Hence, use the Bernoulli equation in coding system to obtain with looping. Lastly, the program obtained the value of pressure difference, which is 13,572.89 Pascal. Thank you.